We are at the National Ploughing Championships just outside of Bicknoller in Somerset today. And Max is here, we are with the family, and there's loads of stuff going on, loads of classic tractors down here, loads of stands up through there. And Max, what are you most looking forward to seeing?
More modern tractors.
More modern tractors. Any particular brand?
Fendt.
Right, so you're going to check some stuff out? Let's do it. Proper steam stuff here as well, mind. Look at this old beast, okay? Amazing. An old winching underneath there. It's called rusty. To be fair, dribbling that much, I shouldn't think it's going to go rusty. Right, I've been told I've got to go ploughing, so let's plough on. Max, what did you say was over there? Proper tractors. Over there, apparently some proper tractors. But to me, look, they're tiny. They're bigger at home. Look, they're tiny. We'll see in a bit. The Lee was on about when you're ploughing, you want as much horsepower as possible. So here we are, that's some proper horsepower, yeah. How are them going? The anthem. Molly, what are you most excited about seeing? Max has got a question, what is it, Monk?
How many horsepower is one horse?
I think one horse is 1 horsepower, but I think in tractor terms, I think that it's like 1.5 or something like that. We'll have to have a Google and find out what that is. Look how smart these horses are. Proper smart. Off they go. Oh, they're just tidying up the ridge, I think, aren't they? Or tidying up the line.
Filling in the troughs, you say.
Ah, right.
Yeah.
They're all the way from the Isle of Man, they are. Max is excited because we're on the fence stand. We had to come down there pretty quick. And we've got an older girl here. We've got the favourite 924 with a 5 sorry, Amazon plough on the back. What a machine. Like the sound of that, Maxie?
Yeah.
Come on to the agri stand for a cup of coffee, and Molly and Alfie are already over on the freebies. What have you found, mate? Got a pen and a notepad? Yeah! Love freebies, don't we? So I did get myself a pen. But Lee's over here taking pictures of his cup of tea. Lee's got the umbrella lit. You expecting rain?
Always be prepared.
I wanted honestly a bit more of this nice bright thing that's in the sky we ain't seen for a while. Vulture. Maxie, which Vulture is it?
T235.
The T235. Is that the same as what was in those fields we were doing with the maize every day?
This is a bit bigger.
This is bigger than that? Crikey. Max and Alfie are here looking at the fast track icon. 4220. What a honey.
Here comes the favourite 924 with the Amazon 5 plough on the back. She's purring.
Amazon plough looks lovely, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I didn't realise Amazon made plows until today. Apparently they've been making them for 3 or 4 years.
She's
That
purring.
sounds lush, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Go into the car and have a look at the car.
Nice.
David Brown's 780 there, the 2 plough on. Look what he's got on the back. I don't know if that's meant to be there or not really. Impact. There he goes. That looks proper smart there, look. Straight lines. Nice little 135 here, look. Nearly as tidy as mine. The Ransom's plough on the back. Well, I think it's Ransom's, isn't it? Shiny. So, Grandad just said, there's the wheels on these. You can slide out to make them wider or narrower on the track. That's interesting. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a dog sat on the side of the box of that tractor. Keeping the weight the right side of the tractor. Oh, 135 here, look. With a cab on that. Yeah, I think that's a Duncan cab on that one, if I remember rightly, where they sort of slope backwards. Yeah, definitely different cab than ours, mate, isn't it? I don't know, I think ours looks prettier in its brown paintwork. Like I say, it's nice to see all the classic tractors here. Like all three of them go, that's brilliant. Those classic tractors are actually being worked rather than sat in the shed looking all shiny.
Look at this coming, the 728. He isn't actually drilling, he's just using the power harrow and fake drilling. All 280 horsepower. Beast. Look at the number plate he's got, 728 Gen 7.
Coming up to the bigger stuff now. Massey 3085 there. Over there somewhere. Massey, Marshall. Stainless tunnels here. Farmer 309. Finishing off his run there. What you stood on, Maxie?
John Deere 7R 350.
How many horsepower?
350.
Jesus. Big girl?
Yeah.
She is. Look at it. On the Mason King stand here, look. There we go. And then next to us, got 6R. Can't even get it in my phone. I'm going to have to put it at the wider zoom. Look at that. What a weapon. I forgot over there. 6155M. What's the cab like, Mike? Show them the cab. Door open or not?
It's got a nice cab in it. But the steering wheel looks quite far away from the bit there. Like that bit's quite long.
Oh, long stem on the wheel, do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah. Smart though, isn't it?
Yeah.
My favourite bit's the side working lights, each side lit. So you got work lights on the back and on the front, but then you got them on the side as well. Good bit that. Anyway, we have a John Deere 3040, which I know the 3050s are popular, but I don't know how common the 3040s are. But we've got a 5-furrow John Deere conventional plough behind it. What a dream. What do you say, Max?
Don't see many of them around.
You don't, do you? Big old conventional plough like that. Definitely learning more about ploughing than I've ever known about ploughing before today. So yeah, it's been definitely a good day. You enjoyed it, boys?
Yeah.
Shall we go and have a look at the classic tractors in the row?
Yeah.
Gonna have a look at some stationary stuff, yeah? Cool, right, let's go and do that. Right, so most of the ploughing is finished, so we've just come down to see all the tractors are on display, and it started raining, so do apologise if there's any water in the camera, but here we go. Right, let's have a look. Look at that MB Track 1800. What a beautiful looking machine.
Painted yellow.
Yeah, it is.
Usually they were green.
They would usually be green, so Max, what do you think it looks like?
Looks like a fast track.
Yeah, it does. Got a rare looking Massey at 178, but look where the loader's mounted. Mounted on the back axle. As Max just said, how are you meant to get in it? Look at that. Tall old loader as well, because it's got that. Keen. As some of you already know, the 7810 is one of my favourite tractors, and it's a two-wheel drive version there in absolutely beautiful condition. But we've got a 7740, which I've always wanted, but the four-wheel drive version would be nice. As you can see, it says Ford there. New Holland there, delete that bit and put Ford there instead, because it is theoretically a Ford tractor, not a New Holland, it's just been New Holland.
You don't want a New Holland.
Max is not a fan. Now that is a honey of a little Renault. Beautiful little Renault that is.
Never seen such a small class.
Sorry mate?
I've never seen such a small class.
Oh yeah, because Class bought Renault out, didn't they? So there we go. I know a lot of Alice Chalmers are small and there's not much to them, but that is a dinker. Max, Alfie, just stand next to that one just to prove how small that Alice Chalmers is. It's tiny. It's not much bigger than the Bolands, Max, is it?
No.
That is cool. It's got a little sprayer on the back as well, look. Allman sprayer. They were the boys back in the day. There's a John Deere 830 behind it, which is fairly stunning. What do you say about this here, Max?
Look at that for a buck rate.
That is one fair old buck rake. A hay rake that is. Just start one end of the field and keep pushing all the way to the other end.
Combine!
Alfie's excited about the combines. So here is what I can only describe as a winch plough. He's going down there, look, with the whole family sat on the back, weighing it down on one end.
Looks like he's doing wheelies.
Yeah, it does. So there's a steam engine down there with a winch on it, pulling it all the way down to the bottom. And then once he's at the bottom, the other steam engine at the top pulls it back up again. Look at him go. That was motor, isn't it? That must be what, like 6k max? He gets down the bottom and then that bit there goes down and drops into the bottom and then it pulls it up the other way. I guess the whole family have to get off and get on the other side. Well, that's a family activity, Max, isn't it? So on a Sunday afternoon, let's go ploughing. Massey 1080, as Max just said, never seen one of them. What I love about this sort of stuff, you see some machines you never see normally. What have we got here, Max?
It's a Fed Farmer 307.
About the same size as our little Sammy 80, isn't it? What would you prefer, the Sammy 80 or the Fent Farmer 307? What? Unbelievable. Oh, nice little edge trim on the back. Nice little edge trimming tractor. Look at it, it's not as tidy as that 309 there we just saw ploughing, was it?
No. This is like size down below.
Yeah, but it's nice. Left hand shuttle or not? Right, so that is the end of the National Ploughing Championships, so I hope you've enjoyed the video. What do you say, mate? Hi?
Hi.
So yeah, we've had lots of fun and it's just started raining again. Typical lovely English weather. And yeah, so we're going to make our way back home, but thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye. Bye.